To solve this, we will have 4 raised to power 12 times 1 over 3. Don't forget that cube root is the same thing as x cube root of x is the same thing as x raised to power 1 over 3. So all we have to do is just raise 4 to power 12 and then multiply it by power 1 over 3, so that we'll have 4 raised to power 12 over 3, and this will give 4 raised to power, and this will give 4 power 4. And what is 4 power 4? That is 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64 times 4, 256. So the second one, we have the fourth root of 2 power 20. So this will be 2 power 20 over 4, and that will be 2 power 5, and that will give 32. The same thing applies to this. Try it and leave your answer in the comments.